We're on the farm again today. We're going to do some weeding and some mowing. What should I be doing? Lead the way. So my husband right now is leading me to the part of the farm that we're going to work on today. As I said, we will be weeding and molding, and right now we're going to mold all of this Irish. So my husband decided to show me how to mold first. Okay, that's it. Once my husband showed me, I went to work and I started to mold. And you know, every now and again, I dance, I pop a little dance and stretch, you know. While dancing, I stretch my hand, my back, my everything, because this is hard work, which I love. Alright, so we're done, and this is the before and after. Alright, so this is how it looks. You can see how it looks molded. They're molded up. So we finish all of them, right? The next day, it's on to the next task, which is to weed out all of this yam hill. You know, there's a lot of weed in between, and we have to go in and clean it out, that the yam can get all the nutrients from the soil. If you don't, the weed them gonna suck out everything, and the yam not get nothing. I have this much left to be weeded out, but I am hungry, so I'm going to look some food right now, yeah man. I packed some sardine sandwiches from home for breakfast, and they were delicious. Some strawberry cake that I made at home as a little snack. Look how sweet up, you know? People something nice. Anybody can tell me what this insect is? And my camera caught it. So weird looking. It's beautiful, but it also looks poisonous. Ooh, scary. Anyways, after breakfast, back to work. There's no time to rest. There's a lot of work to be done on this farm. And just like that, it's lunchtime, and I have to go boil little water to make little noodles. Yes, who are upset, vexed and all. I come here to work. I don't have no time to make no big pot of food. I'm making some ramen noodles. I was trying to make this fire and it wasn't working, and then my husband gave me some tips.
Put the fire below. The lower the fire, the better the things above our catch. And then you just throw up on top of it.
So a farmer who works on the property, he makes his wood fires. So all I have to do is just try to catch the wood that he was using before. And as my husband said, I must try to catch the fire below first before trying to catch it on top. So right now I use a lot of twigs, dried leaf, just to get it burning. And then when it starts to burn, then now I add more twigs on top, and those are going to ignite and feed the fire. And there you go. I got it. And then the other woods that were burning before, they're going to catch so much easy. And then you have to fan it and give it air to breathe, because fire love oxygen. And once it catch, hola, I can boil my water to make my ramen noodle. Let's see if this ready. It must start boil. Nope, no boil yet. So let me go over to my husband and see what he's doing on the farm.
So I beat up yam head. So these are the round up that come out of the farm. If you look on it, this is a yam, but it don't look like a yam. You want a yam to look something like this, with a piece like this. But this is just a round up something, so we call it round up. Or what other countrymen call it in Jamaica is pum pum yam. You know, so when you get this pum pum yam, what you want to do is slice off the bottom part where the food is, and you chop him up so him reset himself so him can grow straight. I say grow straight, and you tell him straight. Because plant them all listening, you know. So you tell him to grow straight. Something like this now. It's just a little piece of yam. What you doing at the farm. I try to cut off the tip. Or this get well dry, so probably it's just little life left in this. That well dry. Round up again. Only for round up. So what I do is take them out of the farm, bring them one place so I can dry them. So that I cut them earlier today. You see now them look whitish. And this is what just fresh cut yellow. So the sun I seal it, I coat it back so it has natural coat to preserve the yam. Because you don't want it still yellow and you put it under the shade, it will get rotten. So you don't want them rotten. So we do this for seal the yam so we can have it for plant back, you know.
So if it rains and it gets wet, is it okay?
Yeah man, it's alright. You just have to just make the sun dry it again and just make it seal. For you see it white and pretty, you know it finished. But right now these not ready yet. Because it still have a bit of darkish color to them. You want them well white. Yeah man. So that me I do.
Thank you.
Welcome.
The water must done boil now. We go check this out. It soon reach. Let me just fan the fire a little bit and then it will boil soon. Yes. Yeah, it's boiling. It's time to make some ramen noodles. Oh yes, Papa G. When you're working hard, trust me, and you're hungry, these are the most tastiest thing ever. Okay, nothing can beat this right now. After lunchtime, it's back to the work. I'm tired, like tired, but I just wanna go home and sleep. To get like me, a fam. Lord. Anyways, later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm tired, but at least it get done. Yeah, it get done.